How to find deleted friends on Discord. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see some of the methods that will help you find or identify your friends if you have accidentally removed them from Discord. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. The first method is to search your DMs. Even if a user has been deleted or unfriended, past conversation may still exist in your DMs. So here you can use a search bar in order to search for the keywords from your past conversation. If you locate the conversation, the user's name might appear as the deleted user or similar to that kind of username. And the second method is to check for the shared servers or group chats. If you have any servers that you both shared, you can browse the member list of shared server. Deleted users might still be appeared as a deleted user. So open up any of your shared server if you remember, and there you can search or browse all of the members of the shared server and search for the account. Or if in any group DMs, you can check for the participant list of any unfamiliar or deleted usernames. There also you can find your deleted friend. Other option is to check their profile, which will provide any other additional information. If you remember their username, you can directly click on add friend option, and here you can search for their username and then you can send the friend request again. So in this way you can find your deleted friends on Discord. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.